Alright, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a polite person whom you know. It can be anyone from your family, from your acquaintances, neighbors, or any person. Now see, they said describe a polite person whom you know. Know is present, so it means your cue card is all in present tense. You should say who this person, who is he, or who this person is, how you know him, your relationship, and explain why you think this person is polite, reason for politeness. So you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, I believe politeness is something that comes naturally and it portrays one's behavior. So yes, I know many polite persons, and here I would like to talk about the politest person known to me. She's none other than my mother. Her name is Sarvat Heather, and she is in her early 50s, and she's an Islamic scholar also. So it is nothing, she does not do anything specific to show her politeness. Actually, her politeness is you can say reflected by her way of talking to others. For example, she is very helpful, okay? She is very predictable. For example, she goes out of the way to help others, and whenever she is sad or she is depressed, she never let it affects us. And uske alawa, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
She has always been a great role model for me and my brother. My father is a bit you can say short-tempered, but she has always shows respect to him. And whenever I'm wrong or whenever I make any unfair demands, she always stands with me and she always reasons with me like a friend. So whatever I am today, wherever I am today, it's all because of the efforts and prayers of my mother. And she has always taught me to be kind, to ourselves, and by ourselves here I mean that we should do good to others, because it in one way or another will come back to us in a long run.
Okay, that's great. You spoke for 1 minute and 39 seconds. Overall, you spoke well, but you got confused as well,
Yes.
and you used some words from your local language also.
Yes.
Just try to avoid that.
Sure.
But apart from this, overall you spoke fluently. And when you speak for cue card, just relax, calm down. Don't try to rush through it.
Alright.
Rushing through means you try to be very, very fast. Then you know what will happen, within few seconds you'll be done with it. So just relax, calm down, and speak at your natural pace. Right?
Alright.
Now we move on to speaking part 3.
Yes.
Do you think you are a polite person?
Well, I think to some extent I am a polite person, because I try my best to not to be rude with anyone, and I try my best to help anyone, in any manner I can. Like I make an effort to be polite with the children and old age people especially, because like answering their silly questions as much as I can, and most of the people don't like to do that.
Okay.
So I think I'm a polite.
That's good. Just try to avoid the word like time and again.
Alright.
You can use it a couple of times, but then you can use some other words for that as well.
Sure.
How do you show politeness?
Well, I don't think there is any way a person can show politeness, because politeness can be reflected in one's behavior, in one's nature, and one's character.
Yeah, again,
it's like a give and take. Means if you will show politeness to others, and then you can receive politeness from others.
Okay. Do you think politeness is important?
I think politeness is very important, and it plays a significant role in our well-being, because I think we should be kind to others. Like we should do good to others, and it will come back to us in a good manner as well. So yes.
Yes, what?
Politeness.
Yeah,
is
at the
very
end you have to
important.
conclude. Yes,
Yes,
politeness is very
important.
important.
Plays
So
a
you should
significant role in our
focus
lives.
your fluency.
Yes.
And you should refer to the question when you are answering.
All
So
right.
at the end you say, therefore, I think politeness is something which is crucial. That is why I strongly believe politeness is the most important, something like that.
Alright.
Towards the end you can conclude like that.
Alright.
Overall it is fine, but you need to be more confident, overcome these pauses, avoid use of local language in
Yes.
English, and repetition of some words. So with this type of speaking, still you have the potential for 6.5. With a little extra effort, even you can improve that, right? Okay, thank you.